Hello everyone, welcome to this new video of classes and objects. So in this classes and objects concept, what we are going to learn today is the local variables. So for now, as we have already gone through the concept of classes and objects, what classes are, what objects are, now we have also seen the instance variables, how they are getting used in our classes. So now I will be creating firstly a class, or we do not even require that. We can just work in this class as well. So a local variable, well, we definitely know what an instance variables are. I will just show you again over here. So this is num1 and I will be initializing it with the value 30. So this num1 over here in this class, this is a class, right? And its scope is up to here. So this is the variable which is called as the instance variable, and this variable can be used or accessed within the whole class. Okay, how am I supposed to access this class? Using the objects. So what I will be doing, if I want to give a value or print the value or use this value of this num1 class, I will be firstly creating a object of this class. Now, if I want to display the value of, for example, this num1, I will be using the dot operator over here and I will be using this value. This is the value 30 over here, right? Now, similarly, if I have to use another variable in this class, because this num1 is accessible throughout the class, I want a variable that should not be accessible in the whole class, that should be accessible only a particular method or a constructor or a block. So what for that? For that we are called as, we have given a type of variables that are called as the local variable. How we are going to access them, let's just check that out. So for example, if I have given a method display, I will be declaring some variables over here, say n1, n2. The value of n1 I'm giving is say 78 and n2 I'm giving it as 1. Okay, so if I want to access this n1 and n2 from over here from another method, if you can see, I cannot be able to do that. See, c1 dot n1, see, it is not being able to, I'm not able to just get the values of or even see the variables. Why? Because this n1 is a local variable. If you can see, it will also show me a message that these local variables have not been initialized, have not been used yet. So these are basically the local variables, and these local variables are declared or given values or used in a single block or a method or a constructor. So their visibility, their accessibility remains up to here only. Okay, number 2 point is that these variables, we cannot create the duplicate copies of these variables. If you can see over here, we cannot create the duplicate values. So these are the local variables. See, if I am giving the value of, I have to just initialize these local variables at their own place. Okay, if I will be just printing the value of n1, for printing the value of n1, I have to do one thing. I have to call the display method. See, 3. We can also create a local variable in the main method because it is also a main method. So for example, not even the integer variable, let me take a string variable over here. So this is also a local variable. String name is equal to Ria. Name value I will be just displaying. So the Ria over here is a local variable. Okay, so hope you guys understand the concept of local variables and instance variables up to now. Thank you very much.